dynamic link library error fix. The AGSInitialize not located in dynamic link library error usually appears when the game is loading an incompatible, outdated, or corrupted AMD graphics library, AMD AGS, or when game files and graphics drivers are mismatched. Chapter Solution 1, Verify game files. Corrupted game files are the most common cause. Steam 1, open Steam. 2, go to Library. 3, right-click Forza Horizon 6. 4, select Properties, Installed Files. 5, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 6, wait for the scan to complete. Microsoft Store Xbox App. 1, open Xbox App. 2, click Forza Horizon 6. 3, select Manage. 4, use Verify and Repair. Now, Solution 2, update graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers can trigger AGS-related DLL errors. AMD users, 1, download the latest AMD driver. 2, perform a factory reset clean installation during setup. 3, restart your PC. Hashart NVIDIA users, 1, download the newest game-ready driver. Choose custom installation. 3, enable perform a clean installation. Solution 3, reinstall Visual C++ redistributables. Missing runtime components can prevent DLL functions from loading. 1, uninstall all Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. 2, restart your PC. 3, install the latest Visual C++ 2015-2022 x64, Visual C++ 2015-2022 x86. 4, restart again. Solution 4, repair Windows system files. Open command prompt as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Wait for both scans to finish and reboot. Solution 5, remove third-party DLL injectors. Programs that hook into games may load incompatible libraries. Temporarily disable or uninstall MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner Statistics Server, RTSS, Reshade, Overwolf, RGB software overlays, recording overlays. Restart the PC and test the game. Solution 6, delete shader cache. 1, close the game. 2, open. You can see the code in our conversation history. Locate the Forza Horizon 6 cache folder. 4, delete temporary shader cache files. 5, launch the game again. Solution 7, check for old DLL files. Sometimes a bad DLL is placed inside the game folder. 1, open the Forza Horizon 6 installation directory. 2, look for files such as, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3, if you previously installed mods, reshade, or graphics tweaks, remove those custom DLLs. 4, verify game files afterward. Solution 8, install Windows updates. 1, open Settings, Windows Update. 2, install all available updates. 3, restart the PC. 4, try launching the game again. Solution 9, clean boot Windows. 1, press Windows R. Type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3, open Services. 4, check Hide All Microsoft Services. 5, click Disable All. 6, restart the PC. This helps identify software conflicts causing the DLL issue. Solution 10, reinstall the game. If none of the above fixes work, 1, uninstall Forza Horizon 6. 2, delete any remaining game folders. 3, restart Windows. 4, install the game on a different drive if possible. 5, launch it before installing any mods or overlays. Most effective fix for this specific error, the fixes that solve it most often are verifying game files, performing a clean GPU driver installation, reinstalling Visual C++ redistributables, removing Reshade, RTSS, and other overlay DLLs, running SFC and DSM repairs. SEO title, Forza Horizon 6 AGSInitialize not located.